Hello, young friends. Today, I want to share an incredible story about a remarkable African-American man named Henry Boyd. He was born a long time ago in 1802 and faced many challenges. But through hard work and creativity, he made a significant impact on the world, especially in how we make beds. Henry Boyd was born into slavery in Kentucky. This means he wasn't free and had to work for someone else without getting paid. Even though life was tough, Henry was determined to change his future. He learned carpentry, which is the skill of building things out of wood. This skill would become very important later in his life. As a young man, Henry worked extra jobs and saved every penny he could. Eventually, he saved enough money to buy his freedom. Imagine that. He worked so hard that he could pay to be free. After gaining his freedom, Henry moved to Cincinnati, Ohio in 1826, hoping for a better life. Even in Cincinnati, Henry faced many challenges. Because of the color of his skin, many people didn't want to hire him as a carpenter. But Henry didn't give up. He took on any job he could find, proving his skills and showing everyone that he was a talented craftsman. Henry had a brilliant idea to improve the way beds were made. Back then, beds could be wobbly and not very strong. Henry designed a special bed frame called the Boyd Bedstead, which used unique wooden screws and rails to make the bed sturdy and easy to put together. This design was so good that many people wanted his beds. With his new bed design, Henry started his own furniture shop. He worked very hard and even hired both black and white workers, which was unusual at that time. His business grew, and by the 1840s, his factory was making over 1,000 beds each year. People from all over wanted a Boyd bedstead because they were strong and well-made. Even though Henry was successful, some people were jealous and didn't like seeing an African-American man do so well. His factory was set on fire several times by people who wanted to see him fail. But Henry rebuilt his factory each time, showing incredible determination and courage. Henry wasn't just a businessman. He also cared deeply about helping others. He used his home as a safe place for people escaping slavery, offering them shelter and support on their journey to freedom. He was like a real-life hero, helping many people find a better life. Henry Boyd passed away in 1886, but his legacy lives on. His innovative bed design changed the way beds were made, and his story inspires us to work hard, be kind, and never give up no matter the challenges we face. So the next time you see a sturdy bed, remember Henry Boyd, the African-American carpenter, who through his creativity and perseverance made a lasting impact on the world. His life teaches us that with determination and a kind heart, we can overcome obstacles and make a difference. If you like this video and would like to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment, share with others, and subscribe to our channel.